This how to 1 minute will show you how to increase the height of a section in Shopify. First of all, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and click on online store and click on customize. Now search for the section you want to increase the height. So this is my section. I'm selecting the section. Now all you have to need, just select the section you want to increase the height, and here scroll down and you will get this top padding and bottom padding option. To increase height, you can increase the value for top padding. As you can see, the section height has been increased, and to increase the height from bottom, increase bottom padding, and this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.